All right, we got our skid plate back on. Sat there and decided to paint my recovery hooks. It's supposed to be red, bright red. They look orange. I don't know. They look pretty cool though. But anyway, let's see if our skid plate modification worked. So let's back out of the driveway real quick and pull back in. I think we fixed it. Thing is whisper quiet, finally. So yeah, let's get some double-sided, it doesn't have to be double-sided, but some sticky tape or foam. Got that at the local Home Depot. And that should cure it. So yeah, success. Hopefully it works out for you guys.